What's up, guys? It's your boy K-Strikers here, back with another video, and we're gonna test how sharp this pocket knife is. This is mine, of course, you know. But we're gonna test how many papers this thing can cut through. So, nope. Yeah. So, get one. I'll probably be kind of hard. That's one. Now let's do. Now we go up to 2. Went through. Three. I'm sorry, I didn't hit it too hard. I got some fast Wednesday. 4. There you go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 5. We're gonna go up to 10 pieces. 6. Wait, here's 6. I know what you're going to do. There we go, guys. 7. We're just gonna go up to 8, okay, guys? Last one. Went through 8. Strong pocket knife, guys. And then, so yeah. So I can cut through a lot. So subscribe, like the video, hit that bell. Give it some loving. And subscribe, like the video. I'll make another video early today or tomorrow. And